Scenes from the day of judgment. Angels are
Coming.
coming down from heaven with the sound like thunderstorm on earth. All the human and jinn race is running toward the designated point. The Lord of Heaven is on his throne with angels holding it. The temperature of the floor is in thousands of Fahrenheit. Few people are blind who used to have proper vision in the world. The women of character are provided with ranks higher than millions of men. All the nations are following their designated warners. People are coming with those who they used to worship. People are soaked wet in their own sweat. Everybody has their result and books of their deed in their hands. Few faces are smiling by watching the knowledge they used to believe in is true. Heaven and hell is close to the sight of people. The righteous one have the clothing of honor. The fornicators are smelling bad. Everybody is in deep worry. People with less good deeds are running over here and there. The scale has been set.